Right, welcome to part 2 of this little video. So on this one, I'm going to try to replace this badge with this black one and see how it looks. I know I've got this chrome piece here, and I might actually replace this whole grille at some point, but I want to get this thing off. Now I've got my trusty eBay toolkit thingy, which I can find you a link for as well if anybody's interested. Okay, and I'll be obviously wearing the GoPro to see it a nice close in detail if anybody wants to see that. I haven't seen a tutorial of how to get this thing off, so I'm just going for it. Obviously doing the doors, and what else did I do? Oh yeah, the LED lights. Maybe some sort of YouTuber, expert. Not yet, but I am still working towards my qualified YouTube mechanic badge. So we'll see how we get this. Now, I'm looking at this. I have no clue how to do it. So I'm just going to see if I can get something in behind it, and I don't know. Guess wiggle it off. Let's have a look at some of these little smaller ones. We've got a little smaller one here. Let's try it. Tell you what, I'll get the old sun gigs off. Put this thing on and start recording. Yeah. Hello, GoPro me. Right, got a small one now, so I'm going to try to work in behind here somehow, and prise it off. Yeah, doesn't seem to be working for me too well. I wouldn't know. There must be a. Is there an area to get in there, Mark, behind it? Nope. Do I go in this way? Nope. Do I go in at the bottom? Nope. Somebody told me it was a clip. I'm going to bugger this, I reckon. It looks like these aren't as tough as I thought they were. So those are the metal ones. Do I or don't I use a metal one? Oh, is it? Oh, I'm behind it. Metal was the way forward. Oh, it came off. Did I ruin it? Slight indentations. I don't know whether you can see that. Slight indentations just there, but those plastic ones just work cutting the mustard. All right, so we've got a black bit here. That obviously goes behind this. That doesn't look like it's ruined. I could give that the good old polish. Look, that's it. That's how we polish things on my channel. Not the best job, but hey ho. Right, that sits in behind there. Ooh, that looks all right, doesn't it? And I guess we just clip it back on. Yeah, seems easy enough. Let's get them on there, get it all lined up, and then just go. Is it going to just clip in? Will it just clip in? Oh, hang on. Standard dodgy eBay production. What's that? Let's get that out of there. You can see there's a little bit of plastic that's just in there. Looks like it may have been preventing this thing from going back on. I guess they're just seats and clips into those little lugs, so don't see why it shouldn't just go back on. But it didn't want to do it a second ago. So, easy. Clip, 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 clip. Oh, I do I like it though. Do I like it? Let's stand back. Let's have a little look. I'm going to lift this camera up. See what we think. Do we like it? Let's get some of that glare out there. Oh, I'm not sure. You know what? I am not sure about that whatsoever. Oh. What do we think? What do we think to that? You know what, folks? I just don't know whether I like that. I think the black is too black against the matte black. So I think I'm going to have to change this whole grille out and do something different on the front here, because that just ain't working for me. I've got the black one for the rear as well, but I want to take the transporter the word transporter off the back. This one needs a clean. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up today. The car, take it through the car wash, and see where we get with it. Well, anyway, right, that's that. Not happy. There she is outside, and you know what? I'm still not sure. I am not sure about that thing. Ugh, so annoying. That stripe's doing my head in now. It just looks like it's being cut off by the middle. Yeah. Ugh.